So, example number 9, page 10. Consider the sets. Sets are given. First is 5, means null set or empty set. A is equal to 1, 3. B, set 1, 5, 9. C, insert the symbol subset or not subset between each of the following pair of sets. So, first 5 is subset of B or not? You know, each set is a subset of itself, means B is a subset of B. Here set is B given, and empty set is a subset of all sets because empty set has no elements, means right, and all elements are contained by another sets, that is B. So 5, you know, empty set is a subset of all sets. So answer of this will be subset. This is a subset of B. Now A and C. A has 1, 3 and C has. So all the elements 1 and 3 are in C or not? Yes. So all elements of A are in C. So A is a subset of C. A is a subset of C. Now A and B. All the elements here 3 is not contained by B. So A is not a subset of B. A is not a subset of B. And B and C. 1 is here. 5 is also here. And 9 is also there. So B, all elements of B are contained in C. So B is a subset of C. Right? So it's a very easy exercise for you. Similarly, these alls are very easy. So we can finish it very quickly. Now A is AEIOU and B is ABCD. Is A a subset of B? So you can clearly visible here that all elements of A are not in B. So A is not a subset of B. And all elements of B are not in A. So B is not a subset of A. Right? It's a clearly visible. Right? Question number 1. Insert again subset or not subset. 2, 3, 4. 2. 2 is here. 3 is here and 4. So all elements of this set are in this set. So this is a subset of this set. ABC. Not all elements are here. Only B and C are here, but A is not here. So A is not belongs to this set. So this is not a subset. This is not a subset. Now this X. X is a student of class 11 of your class. Now your class has suppose 10 students or 50 students suppose, right? And X, the students of your school. So your class student is a student of your school also. Your all class students, that is your all 50 students of your class are the students of your school or not? Yes, they are in the school. So this is a subset of this. So students of your class is obviously a subset of your school. X. X is a circle in the plane. X is a circle in the plane. So in the plane the circle is there. Is a subset of X is a circle in the same plane with radius 1 unit. So it is clearly given that this circle, a circle in this set has radius 1 unit. So suppose this is a circle with 1 unit, right? And this is only given X is a circle in the plane. So X is a circle in the plane. Suppose this is the circle in the plane with 5 unit. So all elements of this circle are in this. Never possible because this is given, right? So this is not a subset of this set, right? Then fifth one, X. X is a triangle in the plane and X is a rectangular in the plane. So you can check clearly like this. So this is not a subset. Then 6. X is an equilateral triangle in plane and X is a triangle in the same plane. Okay, so every equilateral triangle are in the plane, right? So if similarly here, if it is given X first set this set first is given unit circle with radius 1 and all family of circles, then this is a subset of this, but this is not a subset of this. So here it is given equilateral triangle. So all equilateral triangle lies in the triangles. So this is a subset. Now last one. X is an even natural number. Even natural number means you have 2, 4, 6, etc. And x is an integer. Integer means you have to take all natural numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, and negative numbers because it is given integers. So this is clearly you can write, suppose I am writing only 1, 2, 3, right, up to n, then this is a subset of this. So this is a subset, right? Now question number 2. Examine whether the following statements are true or false. Now given that AB is not a subset of BCA, why they are giving like this? A and B are containing here, so here AB is a subset of this. AB is a subset of BCA, and instead of that they are giving not subset, so that means this statement is false. So answer of this is false. I am writing answer here, right? So you can clearly read it. Now AE is a subset of X, where X is a vowel in the English alphabet. Now vowels in the English alphabets are A, E, I, O, U. So this is the set. In this set, these elements are included. So now A, E both are in this set. So this is a true sentence. So this is true, right? This statement is true. Now 1, 2, 3. Here 2 is here, but 2 is not here. So this is false. So this is false statement. Either you can write this is not a subset, right? That is your also answer. That is, this is not true, right? Now A is a subset of this, and this is A belongs to this. Now A is here contained, so this is a true statement. So this is true. Now given set A belongs to, you know, A belongs to set ABC. If you write elements in braces, that is in curly brackets, then it becomes subset. So this is not belongs to. Only A belongs to this. This is correct, but they give us this. So this is also false. Now last one. X is an even natural numbers less than 6. Now less than 6 even natural numbers means 2 and 4. And X is a natural number which divide 36. Now 36 is divisible by 1, 36 is divisible by 2. So I want some more space. I am writing here 2 and 4. Right? Now for this, 36 is divisible by 1, by 2, by 3 also, by 4 also, by 6 also. Then 9 4s are 36, so 9, right? Then 12 3s are, so 12, 3, 4, 9, 18 2s are, and 36 1. So these are the set. This. Now see, 2 and 4 are containing by this set. So clearly this is a subset of this, and it is given subset. So this is a true statement. So this given statement is true, right? So it's a very easy questions, right? Which improving your concept and knowledge, right? Question number 3, page 13. Given that let A is a set given, which of the following statements are incorrect and why? So we have to state which is correct and which is incorrect. Given set is like this and given all subsets. So first of all, we write subsets of A. So solution. Here number of elements 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? So number of element is n is equal to 4. So therefore total number of subsets is equal to 2 raised to 4, that is 16. So we have 16 subsets. So subsets are therefore subsets. So first of all, empty set is a subset of all sets. So 5. Then a set itself, that is set A, right? So A is a subset of itself. Then we have to take one separate element. So 1, then 2, then this is a element. So we have to put it 3, 4 in subset. So means we have to put another braces, that is another brackets. So this is your element, right? Then 5. So these are single. Now pair means 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 4, 1 and 5. First of all that, then 2 and this, and then 3 and 5, this. So we have to write these pairs. So first 1 and 2, then 1 and in set 3 and 4. So in set 3 and 4, then 1 and 5, right? Now it's a turn of 2. So 2 and in set 3 and 4. So 2 and in set 3 and 4. Then 2 and 5. So 2 and 5, right? Then now it's over. Now this turn. So 3, 4 and 5. So 3, 4 and 5 are in set. So this is 2. Now 3. 3 means 1, 2 and 3, 4. So 1, 2 and 3, 4. Now 1, 2 and 5 also. So 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. We have to make a triplet. 3 elements. Now 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 2, 3, 4 and 5. So now 3 are finished. If we take 4, then it's a set A itself. So now count. This is a 16 or anyone is missing? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So anyone is missing now. Which one? Find out. So we forget, I think, 1, 3, 4 and 5. We forget 1, 3, 4 and 5. So 1, 3, 4 and 5. We forget 1, 3, 4 and 5. We forget this, right? Because we take 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 first. See, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. Then A, B, C, D. Then if you want to make a pair of, if you want to take a 3, then you have to take first ABC, right? So first ABC, then ABD, then ABD. So A, B and D. Now starting from B, you have to take BCD and ACD is remaining. So ACD, that is our this ACD is remaining. So now it's a 16. So these are all subsets. Now this is your guide. Use this for this. You can easily be able to give the answers, right? So now first 3, 4 is a subset of A. 3, 4 is a subset of A. Is 3, 4 is there? Yes, but it has a braces again because 3, 4 belongs to this 3, 4 with braces, that is with curly bracket, is the element of set A but not a subset of A. If it has like this 3, 4, then this 3, 4 is a subset of A, but this 3, 4 is not a subset of A. So this is a false. So I am writing as usual, answer is here. So false, and I am explaining you here. Now 3, 4 belongs to A. Yes, we say that this 3, 4. Here this given 3, 4. So 3, 4 is an element of A and 3, 4 is a subset of A. So 3, 4 belongs to A. So this is true. this is true. Now see here 3 4. Now from this you can get this answer. So this is your true statement. So this is true, right? So these all subsets indicates what's your answer. Now 1 belongs to A. 1 belongs to A is the correct one. Then 1 is not a subset of A because this is the subset of A. See, this 1 is a subset of A. All subsets are here. So 1 is a subset of A, not 1. So 1 belongs to A. So 1 belongs to A. That is, this is true statement, right? And this fifth one is obviously false. So this is false statement, right? Now 1 to 5. 1 to 5. Is there 1 to 5? 1 to 5 in triplet. You have to find out. Is a subset of A? Yes. 1 to 5 is the in the set of in the list of 1 subsets. So 1 to 5 is a subset of A. So this is true. So 6 1 is true. Then 1 to 5 not belongs to A. Right? 1 to 5 not belongs to A. That is, this is false. Obviously from this. Now 1 to 3 is a subset of A. 1 2 not 3 because there is the element 3 and 4. So this is again this 8 statement is false. So this is false statement, right? Now 5. 5 belongs to A or 5 is a subset of all set. 5 is a subset, right? So 5 is a subset. That is, this is true. So this will be true. Then this is false. So this is false. 9 is false. Now 5 is a subset of A. How? This 5 is a subset of A. That is false. Okay. So only 5 is a subset of A. This 5 is not a subset of A because 5 is subset of A. This is your correct one. So this is also false. Right? So these are important question, and if you write subset first, then you are able to give the answer of these all correct answer. Right? So remember, if there is a subset, then that element must be in braces like this. Otherwise 1 belongs to A, but this not 1 belongs to A. This is a subset. So all subsets are in curly bracket, that is in braces. Okay. Question number 4. Write down all the subsets of the following sets. We have to write the subsets, right? So I'm writing from here solution. Right? For first, suppose A is equal to A. So number of elements in set A is 1. That is, number of A is equal to 1. So number of A is equal to 1. Right? Either you can say n is equal to 1. How many elements? N is equal to 1. So therefore, total number of subsets is equal to 2 raised to n, the formula. If A has n elements, then total number of subsets is 2 raised to n. That is 2 raised to 1. So answer is 2. So now subsets. We know set itself a subset of, right? So A is subset and empty set is the subset of all sets. Then we have to write one set, that is A. So already given A. So this is your answer. So this is your final answer. Now second one. Given AB. So we say B is equal to AB. So here n is equal to 2. 2 elements are here. So total number of subsets is equal to. So therefore, total number of subsets is equal to 2 raised to n. That is 2 raised to 2. That is 4. That you know, 2 raised to 2. So subsets are subsets. First, set itself a subset. So B, then empty set is a set of a subset of all sets. Then one by one. So first set A, then element B. Now we have to take a pair. If we take a pair, then it's a B. B is already there. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So this is your answer. Then third, 1, 2, 3. Suppose C is equal to, this C is equal to 1, 2, 3. So number of element is 3. So n is equal to 3. So total number of subsets, therefore total number of subsets, formula is 2 raised to n. And what is n? N equal to 3. So substituting n equal to 3, we get 2 raised to 3, that is 8. So subsets are as we know, set itself a subset. So C, so first C, then empty set or null set is a subset of all sets. So 5, then single element. So single element, that is 1 in curly bracket or braces, then 2 and 3, right? So 3. Now single element finished, take a pair, that is 1 2 1 3 2 3. So 1 2 2 3 and 1 3. Now pair is finished, take a 3. So 1 2 3, that is C itself, and is already there. So now count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is your final answer. And fourth one is 5. Suppose D is equal to 5. So n is equal to 0. N is equal to 0. So total number of subset is 2 raised to 0, that is 1. So therefore total number of subsets is equal to 2 raised to 0, that is 1. So required subsets are 1, that is set itself, that is D. And 5 is a subset of all subsets, but 5 is D. So D, so you can write D either 5. This is your correct answer. Set itself, if you indicate by D, then D is answer. Either you can write 5. That is your only answer, because we have only one subset. So these are very easy examples. Okay. So do practice at your home